Hello to all viewers. If you want to be in the next video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell and write an interesting comment. Enjoy viewing.
She slowly took off her wig, and she was completely bald. She then went on to tell me the most shocking thing ever. Your mom...
Ty, Zośka?
No.
A ty chłopów ile przede mną miałaś? Dobra, tam już się nie obrażaj.
Ja się nie obrażam, ja nadal liczę.
Vous êtes des animaux.
Don't make me sting you! I'll do it! You need to get out of here. Just kidding!
Want to see a magic trick? Good. Abracadabra!
Drink the water. No. Drink the water. No. Drink the water. No. You can't survive off of Dr. Pepper. Try and stop me. Just try one sip. One sip. It smells bad. Oh my gosh, you're so dramatic. Just drink it. It burns. No, it doesn't.
天空のライアーを手に入れたのは酔っ払い相手に歌を聴かせるためなのかよえへってなんだよ
Do we just sit here forever? Well, kinda, unless Bebo shows up.
What the hell's Bebo?
Guys, look! Bebo! No! Ah! Oh! Bye, Jim. What the fuck?
Ma questo mi sa che è il re sole, ignorante di...
No, questo qui è mio zio Giuseppino e lui era re della Sicilia.
You killed my friends!
Let's talk about your friends. They didn't have to be here.
What?
They had a place on the train and you took them out of it. You brought them here. You put them in danger.
They were trying to help me!
They were. And this is the result. All of this is your fault.
triangles and make sure your hand can fit in. Measure the correct size and repeat everything with the bottom jaw. When measuring, make sure that the bottom jaw is inside the top jaw. Cut out to paper straps. The size is your choice. Fold it so that it can fit between the two jaws. Glue it on.